There's something you wanted to show me.
Hi, boys and girls.
Oh, he's excited now. Ooh, cleaning. Ooh, we better get that out because it's starting to turn white.
I ain't worried about that. You ready?
Ooh, Vaporust. Wow.
Some of that's the original paint.
Oh yeah, look at there's a.
Yep.
There's, wow. Holy moly, that's a good little experiment.
This stuff really, truly is.
All right, how's our stuff looking in here? Wow. I'm impressed.
Yeah, this stuff is
Impressive.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stick it in there for fun and games.
Yeah, just because. All right, so we'll have to do some scrubby, but
Well,
everything's coming up. Roses, literally. I mean, we just got to scrub up the last bit of the grease. And then I may put them back in the Evaporust again just to get more of the rust off. And we can give them a quick coat of black paint, stop them from getting worse again.
we could shoot him.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But we got to get this shit cleaned first.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can see where it's...
Cleaned it off.
Yeah. But we need to go...
Flip it around a little.
We need to go deeper.
That's what she said. Wow, that's pretty damn good.
Yeah. And the bolts, they just, everything came
They
out
look
great.
Wow. Wow, that looks brand new.
I know, right? I mean, some of the stuff really, truly did come out.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice
So we'll
work.
have,
Somewhat clean stuff.
Yep. Well, like I said, I mean, if we got to get a better bucket.
Yeah, we gotta use a different bucket. All right, so how's it coming over here? You're beating and banging.
I'm getting ready to,
Pop that lower.
yeah, I've got all the front part
Wow,
off.
that's cleaner than it was.
And you can actually see the bolts, but we did that one. So I just got to pop this. I wasn't paying attention, so I'll put a bolt in real quick just to hold it so I can
Pop
smack it down.
Smack it down.
Smack it,
You're
flip
gonna
it,
put
rub
the
it down.
smack it
Oh
down?
no!
Yeah. And then you're gonna get this off. All right, and then by the time we leave here, that'll be apart.
Yeah, well, I hope.
Good job, Scotty.
Because
Well,
this is the only issue.
well,
So I'm tempted on giving it a smack back up and then see if I can't turn it.
pickle fork in there, deep, hard and deep.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah. All right. Okay. All right, get back at it. Get to work. I'm gonna go back to soldering.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Original Ford stamp.
casket.
Oh, I'll have to. Let me scrub that real quick.
Yeah.
I want to show that off.
Scotty and I get excited over just cast in original numbers. That's cool.
On a 1956 Thunderbird, it's the one of the original parts.
Of course. Oh, there's a lot of original parts here. Pretty
This
obvious.
one, yeah, it probably hasn't been touched in.
It's like you. It hasn't been
millennia.
touched in years.
I know, right?
Oh my god. All right. Well, just for fun, there's that.